Today, we're super excited to announce that we're working with Starburst to enhance the analytics engine with NVIDIA with their Vera CPUs for 3 times faster SQL, and with Blackwell GPUs for 6 times faster SQL. Leading institutions like Bank of America, who already have a partnership with Starburst, NVIDIA and Dell Technologies, are going to be able to use these new capabilities to support AI-driven analytics while meeting their important governance, regulatory, and resiliency requirements. And for extreme scale AI and high-performance computing environments, we're introducing Dell Exascale storage, a unified rack architecture supporting PowerScale, ObjectScale, PowerFlex, and the Lightning file system. Exascale is a 4-in-1 storage platform built to deliver up to 6 terabytes of throughput per second per rack. And we all know that AI devours data. And our family of unstructured data solutions, including PowerScale, ObjectScale, and the Lightning file system, the fastest in the world, are being deployed extensively by thousands of customers around the world, including some of the AI native companies like CoreWeave and Nscale, Iron, FluidStack, Boostron, and many others, and many other leading firms that demand incredible performance like McLaren Racing, Hudson River Trading, Quadrature, 2 Sigma, Optiver, and many, many more. Now, of course, all that data needs to travel at blinding speeds. And so AI factories need AI-grade networks. The new PowerSwitch Spectrum 6 gives you the massive scale, speed, and efficiency and reliability required for AI. And we've added the NVIDIA Quantum X 800 liquid-cooled with co-packaged optics also to our networking solution. Now, all that storage and networking feeds the beast of accelerated computing. The PowerEdge XE9812, built on NVIDIA's Vera Rubin NVL72, delivers 10 times lower cost per token than Blackwell for massive scale agentic AI inferencing. And the new lineup of PowerEdge XE servers built with NVIDIA HGX Rubin NVL8 are an industry leader, supporting up to 144 GPUs per rack with 100% direct liquid-cooled compute nodes, 5.5 times more powerful than the previous B200 GPUs. And to bring it all together, we're excited to announce Dell PowerRack, a turnkey rack solution where the AI compute, the networking, and the storage are all engineered together, designed, tested, validated, and delivered as one system. With PowerRack, you can deploy a fully integrated system where the thermal design, the power management, and all the software have been engineered and tested to work perfectly as one. Now, one reality we're all facing is that AI is energy intensive. Even though the amount of energy used per token is decreasing quite rapidly, a single rack of NVIDIA Rubin GPUs can draw over 130 kilowatts. And as the industry builds hundreds of thousands of these racks, the pressure on the power grid is real. And we are committed to being a part of the ongoing solution. Our PowerCool heat exchanger delivers up to 60% reduction in cooling energy consumption and cuts the annual energy costs by 1/3. And our PowerCool CDU is capable of cooling Vera Rubin NVL72. It delivers more than 220 kilowatts of cooling capacity. We design for performance per watt so you can deploy more AI within your existing footprint. Now, of course, the most efficient token is the one that is generated closest to where your data is. So we're expanding the Dell AI Factory with NVIDIA to accelerate agentic AI in the enterprise. We're announcing Dell Desk-Side Agentic AI, which brings together the highest performance Dell Pro Precision workstations, NVIDIA NeMo Claw, and Dell services. You can test, build, and fine-tune agents locally while running the latest open weight models in the 70 billion to 250 billion parameter range, up to 1 trillion parameters. And you can do it without unpredictable cloud costs, bandwidth costs, or risks of IP leak. This is unmetered intelligence, and you can break even versus public cloud APIs in as little as 3 months. NVIDIA OpenShell is also now supported across the entire Dell AI factory, giving developers a sandbox to secure and fine-tune their AI agents from workstations to servers. And Dell Technologies' support for NVIDIA AIQ 2.0 blueprints gives you a tested foundation to deploy multi-agent workflows. We're providing a consistent path to accelerate the move from deployment to pilot to production at scale. From the PC to a full rack of 144 GPUs, to the biggest data center you could imagine in the world, full of those racks, we are engineering the accelerated architectures to work together as one system, agentic and autonomous. The Dell AI factory with NVIDIA, the backbone and the brain of the modern enterprise.